Hi, this is Francesca. I'm ready to try We Live in an Ocean of Air, an immersive installation at Saatchi Gallery. Follow me in this amazing experience.
I mean, all our artwork is big, they're big passion projects. We've been thinking about them for years, and this one is really at the forefront of this kind of new wave of immersive experiences. So you can kind of hack the senses and simulate worlds beyond the limits of human perception. So that's the area that we're really fascinated in. And so science kind of is our window to that world, but the way we often understand scientific stories is through text and images, but rarely as experiences because they're not available to our senses. So with this piece here, it's really all about breath. And so if I could see breath rolling down my throat into my chest, it would define my lungs like upside down trees. My heartbeat pumps it round through my vascular system, and you'd see that oxygen passing through the branching networks into my hand. And so these things are happening all the time, but we just don't see them. And then the flip side of that is when I exhale, the carbon dioxide is inhaled by the plants, and it rolls in and through the process of photosynthesis becomes the sugars that basically feed all of life in the food chain. So by revealing that connection, it puts us in this symbiotic relationship with the plant kingdom, which is happening all the time, but we're just not aware of it.
How long did it actually take?
So this is part of a larger body of work we've been exploring for about 5 years, and the plan is basically to keep building on these systems. I think the underlying message is that science sort of makes available that world beyond our perception, and so we can understand it, but we never get to experience that. And I think the underlying message is that there's no such thing as an individual. So from the bacteria in your gut all the way through to the whole biome of the planet, there's no real separation. Everything's just like nested ecosystems. And so to experience that is very different to being told about it. So, we're really exploring those ideas where you can go inside a sequoia tree, you can see those inner systems working, you can see the photosynthesis, and because you've got the breath sensor, you can literally breathe in the oxygen as it pours out of the tree. So it's very different from an explanation to actually to experience it.
The invisible connection within humans and plants was revealed to me by this amazing virtual reality experience. We live in an ocean of air. Please come and try this. This was Francesca reporting for you.